Will we ever get back to real church discipline? Hey folks, Adam here on The Bearded Prophet. I've made some videos about Mike Bickle, IHOP KC, Michael Brown, Michael Tate. What is it? They're all named Michael. I don't know. Chris Reed. I mean, now it's just going down the line. All these scandals, all these things being exposed, and double life, deceit, all these different things. Now, what is church discipline? It's where the church, the body of believers, acts on what someone is doing. Like, hey, you need to step down, you need to step back, you need to get your house in order, your personal life in order, you need to repent, you need to own what you did. You cannot just continue in ministry or maybe even in the church at times. You have to take that step. Paul says, cast them out with the unbelievers. Now, we are so far from that in today's world. Some of it is celebrity Christianity, and some of it is big Christianity. So let me hit on both here very briefly. Celebrity Christianity is definitely plagued us here in the West, the Western corporate model, where this anointed leader, man or woman, worship leader, preacher, teacher, is so important that if they left, what would happen to the ministry? We have to keep things going. We have to keep the prayer room moving. We have to keep the ministry going forward. Yeah, he said we have to keep singing the songs. Yeah, he's got a drug problem and is touching people and doing sexually inappropriate things. But, the concerts are selling out, the CDs are selling, the streams are going. Can't pull him back. Can't stop that ministry. It's horrible, folks. So celebrity Christianity is partly responsible. People want greed, they want money, they want power, they want the ministry to keep going more than they care about personal righteousness. This is wrong. But one other form of church discipline that's actually more common and more needed is among individual believers. And the level of sin in the church sometimes, folks, is just disgusting. We have people who are having affairs and, getting divorced and doing drugs or just all kinds of stuff, addicted to porn or whatever. All kinds of stuff is going on. And yet most people don't know about it. And so you can go in the building every week. You could be sitting next to someone. You could shake hands and look all happy, or they could be up on the platform singing or speaking, and you don't know their life. You don't know what they're like at home. You don't know if their kids are respectful. You don't know if their marriage is any good. All this why? Folks, that's one of my hopes of doing smaller church, is that in those settings, it's harder to hide. It's harder to come in someone's house week after week and actually do life and fake it and keep faking it. And you actually don't want to fake it the same, because you're with real people that you're eating with and sitting across a table with. And as humans, we want to open up. We don't like having secret sin, most of us, unless they're incredible narcissists. Folks, that's where we need to get back to. And there, church discipline can even be carried out with love. It can actually be, oh, wow, you're struggling. Hey, let's work with the person. Sometimes when we wait till it gets already full blown, we just have to kick them out, and there's no hope.